జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
Ho Sumantra, not only that, send all the great people and all kind of business people, and it should be like a forest is like Ayodhya. Make all kind of arrangements. Rama should not be missing anything, and Rama should never ever remember about Ayodhya. To that extent, make sure the forest is made comfortable for my son Rama. Ho Sumantra, come on, start making all these arrangements. Dasharatha Maharaju gave an order to Sumantra. Dasharatha Maharaju ordering his minister Sumantra, Ho Sumantra, send everything along with Rama to the forest. Rama should not be missing anything in the forest. Send my entire of treasury. Send all the ingredients and make sure everything is set over there in forest for Ramachandra. When Rama goes to forest, he will be enjoying, he will be going around, he will be visiting all the places in the forest, and whomever he come across like great rishis, he will be donating, he will be giving them dakshinas. Like that, make sure Rama is comfortable in forest. Make all those arrangements. When Dasharatha Maharaju started saying like this, Kaikamma started getting scared. Kaikamma started getting so much depressed. Then Kaikamma says, "Oh Dasharatha Maharaja, what are you doing? When you send everything out of this kingdom, this empty kingdom, why my son Bharata is going to rule? Do you think Bharata would accept this kind of kingdom? Not at all." Like this Kaikamma said. When Kaikamma said like that, immediately Dasharatha Maharaju started cursing Kaikamma like, "You asked only for Rama's Vanavasam. That's all I am doing. I am not going to do more than that anymore." Like that Dasharatha Maharaju said. Again Kaikamma saying that, "Oh Dasharatha Maharaja, in your Vamsam, in your dynasty, Sagara Chakravarti, he sent his son Asamanja to the forest. He sent his son out of the kingdom, not by giving all kind of wealth and everything, but empty hands he sent. That is how you have to be doing with Rama also. You have to send Rama to the forest with empty hands." When Kaikamma said like this, there is a minister, another minister whose name is Siddhartha, standing right next to them. When Kaikamma said like this, all the people started feeling disgusted about Kaikamma. But Siddhartha, the minister, is now saying to Kaikamma that, "Oh Kaikamma, what are you saying? You are comparing Rama with Asamanja. Do you know who is Asamanja? Asamanja is the son of Sagara. Asamanja used to be very cruel. He used to abduct all the small children, put all of them in the Sarayu river, and he used to enjoy until they drowned and completely died. Until then he used to watch and enjoy. Such kind of very cruel son Asamanja. That is why Sagara Chakravarti abandoned, sent that Asamanja out of the kingdom without giving anything. You are now comparing Rama with Asamanja. What are you doing? Can you show even a small defect, small mistake, small, tiny, bad quality in Rama? You can't. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.